Hi guys. This time I think I pressed the wrong button. I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. I pressed the wrong button. Hi Laura, sorry. First I ran out of battery. Then I pressed the wrong button, you guys. Sorry. I was trying to pin it. And I pressed finish. Whoops. Okay, don't do what I do, you guys. Oh my gosh. I'm a nut. It's just making sure y'all are keeping up with me. Okay, here we go. Let's do this before I mess up again. Hi, Laura. Laura, did you hear me? Take a picture of your wine cooler. People are asking. They want to know if we can chalk couture, use the paste, on terracotta. And I told them, yep, we did it. We sealed it. It's gone. I think she's happy with it. Are you happy with it? All we need is a picture. I need a picture. It's in the video, but I think I need a picture. Okay, so we're going to do always believe something wonderful is about to happen. Sorry, you guys, I pressed the wrong button. So I'm going to put it down low on this one that we chose. And we're going to use magenta. I'm going to put it down low because I'm going to embellish the top. Not here, but I will do it later. I think I'm going to put like a little crown of pretty little flowers. Okay, you guys, and right here we're going to have to use a squeegee because it has a lot of little wording. Look at the wording. And we need to make sure that there is no leaking there, okay? No leaking of paste. So use your angle squeegee. Make sure you get all those air bubbles. You don't have to do it all the way to the edge, but make sure you get those bubbles out. Dana, did we lose you? No, it wasn't you. It was me. I was playing. I messed up. The first time I was out of battery on my phone. This is my little phone I record from. So I had to use my bigger phone, my bigger iPhone. Then I ran out of juice on my iPad where I read the comments from. And then I just pressed the wrong button. I was trying to pin it. I did, but then I pressed the wrong button. Such is life, you guys. We're going to use magenta. And I haven't used magenta like in 2 weeks. So I took all the air bubbles out, and it's hanging down here. That doesn't matter. But always believe something wonderful is about to happen if I don't press the wrong button. So let's see if this one's good to go. Look, it's crumbly, you guys. There's chalk falling. That's how long it's been since I've used it. Look at all this crumbly stuff. That happens. Oh, you guys, and whoever orders ink, my, what do you call it? My teammates under Ludi and my girls on our team, whenever you order the ink, you guys, and you get it in, don't open it on top of your project, and open it, make sure your jar is perpendicular, or, you know, just up, you know, facing correctly, because it doesn't have that little protector we used to have before, the 3-ounce ones. And I saw someone make a little uh-oh on their fabric, and that ink is good ink. Hey Ludi! Hey Ludi! Thank you for joining us, Ludi. How was the tour? I'm so jealous. Hi Analea. How was the tour, Ludi? Oh my goodness, how exciting. Tell us, tell us, tell us. Did you learn a lot? Did you get a lot of free stuff? Did you win? I hope you won. Hi, Analea. There's Analea, you guys. She's also on our team under Ludi. Tell us, tell us, tell us. So I haven't used this one in a while, so I'm going to give it a good mix. It looks good, but I'm going to mix it up just in case. Did have a lot of dry stuff up on top when I was opening it. But yes, you guys, when you open your inks, be very careful and don't do this like what I'm doing right now. Be extra careful because the ink will stay. Hi, Ludi. Tell us, tell us, tell us. We're anxious. Okay, guys, while Ludi is going to tell us the story about Dallas and the tour, I'm going to do this. Remember, we have to press this paste through the screen because the wording is really tiny, the letters. So you need to make sure you get it through that screen, okay? Work quickly and make sure you push, push, push. Be strong, but be gingerly. I'm going to sneeze. Aw, Ludi, it was beautiful, though. Beautiful. The important thing is you participated, right? You guys, y'all behave. Ludi is my upline. She's my boss. And she doesn't like any shenanigans. Yeah, right. She's the craziest one of all. Work quickly, you guys. I think I'm taking too long, so guess what I'm going to do? Remember when I told y'all to use a paper towel or something to keep it moist? That's what we're going to do. Just ended. Aw. Yeah, it's like from 6:30 to 9 or something like that. It doesn't last very long. So just get a towel wet, you guys. Really moist, not wet. Get it really, really moist. You don't want your chalk to dry, and then just lay this over your project, especially when you're working on a big one, a big transfer. You want to keep that moist. I'm sure it was fun. How many people do you think attended, Ludi? Are you spending the night or are you driving home already? Hi, I have so many questions. So many. Dallas is a long drive for us down here in the valley. Long drive. Okay, you guys, now I'm going to pick up the excess with my large squeegee. I'm going to spray it a little bit first. And at the same time that I'm picking up that excess, you guys, I'm going to push down. Make sure it gets in there. Hello, Laura. Welcome, welcome. You guys, if anybody wants to join Chocolate Tour, send me a message. I'll give you so much information. It'll make your head spin. But it's lots of fun. Look, you guys, how well this squeegee is taking it off. And then I'm pressing it into the wording. Can y'all see that? Look at all that paste I'm saving, you guys. All that magenta. Save the magenta. Look at that. Use your angle squeegee to take most of it off. Yes, I am. I'm making my plans. I've got money set aside, Analea. I've got money set aside. I think it's 2 days. I would love to go. Just because I've never been to Utah. But I would love to go like 1 day ahead. And then come back 1 day after. Just so you're not so dead tired. But at least do that. Okay, guys. Don't wait till it dries. Start pulling it up. Oh my goodness! This is my favorite part, you guys, of Chocolate Tour. My favorite. The reveal. How about you, Analea? Look at that, you guys. Is that not sweet? You guys, when you work with this transfer, remember any transfer with thin lettering. Press, 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 press. Make sure it goes through that screen so you don't have skipping, okay? Isn't that gorgeous? So sweet. Okay, you guys, and this particular transfer is called Always Believe. It's an 8.5 by 11, and it's $14.99. If you want to purchase this, go to the Shop Now button and purchase. And the paste I use is the magenta. The magenta is now coming in a 3-ounce can, 3-ounce jar, and that is $12.99. And right now, I believe we're out of squeegees again. But if you need a squeegee desperately, send me a message and I'll ship one to you. You love those colors together? It's so pretty. Thank you, Susie. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So yes, Analea, I'm planning on going. I hope some of my team goes. And I hope to meet some of my Chalk sisters under Ludi's team also. That would be so much fun. Okay, you guys, we'll embellish this later. But remember, we need, how many more people? We need 2 more people, you guys, to order the Full Bloom. Let me show it to you. Let me put this over here. We need 2 more people to order the Full Bloom, the bubblegum paste, the custard paste, and you will be entered to win a $50 gift card. That's the Full Bloom, you guys. That not cute? Look at how cute that watering can turned out. Adorable. You have from now till Sunday, and it's only open to the 5 people, the first 5 people, okay? And if you think about it, you purchase that, and one of you lucky winners will end up paying just a little bit more, because it's practically a free transfer and free paste. I think Nancy said that it wouldn't let her order the squeegee, so we're probably out. How did I paint the board? Well, Miss Susie, go and join. It's posted right there. It's pinned. My VIP group, and I'm going to show you all how I paint my boards and paint furniture and something not too much chocateur, but other stuff that I do, and how do I prepare my backgrounds and everything. Here's another background we were going to use, but we decided to use the other one. See, this one has 4 colors. It's got sage, it's got an antique white, it's got green, and it's got gold in there. I don't know that you can see the gold with the light, but it's just a canvas. But I can show you all my painting techniques. They're lots of fun. Don't go to bed, Laura. Don't forget to take a picture of your terracotta wine cooler. Are you using it as a vase or as a wine cooler? So I can post it. So Susie, anybody join my VIP group, and I'll show you how I do those. Probably on Sundays. I'll show y'all. It's so easy, you guys. I'll tell you exactly what I use, and we can do it together. Okay? And it's free, 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 free. It's free 99. Free 99. Miss Laura, and I'll talk to you probably tomorrow afternoon. I'll send you a message because I've got a crazy day tomorrow ahead. But don't worry, I'm going to check on that for you, okay? You gave it to your husband for his birthday. With or without wine. It's okay. Remember, Laura, whatever is his is yours anyway. And what's yours is yours. Shh. Thank you, guys. So I probably won't see y'all till Thursday. No, till Friday or Saturday. But for sure, Sunday. And then we'll do the drawing for the $50 gift card. Place your order, place your order. Remember, you need to order the Full Bloom. It's $14.99. Order yourself the bubblegum paste. Order yourself the custard paste. And if you order this and you can't get the squeegee because we're out, send me a message and I'll send you the squeegee, okay? But don't forget to message the page with your order number and your total. You don't drink wine. I don't drink much wine either, but I do. But I prefer the hard liquor. I like Captain Morgan, I like tequila, I like vodka. But everything in moderation, guys, and once in a great while. I'm not much of a drinker also. Margaritas in the summer. Margaritaville. Anybody have any questions? Who's ready to join my team, you guys? Who's ready? If y'all have any questions and you are bashful and don't want to ask your question here, just message the page. Message the page. I hope my robot isn't answering messages anymore. I need to take him off, because he's been answering my messages since I've been out in the hill country. You never know if you're going to get a good connection or not. Anybody have any questions? Who's ready to join? Join the VIP group, you guys, and also join the live chocolate tour design group. We post every time we're going live on there, okay? Okay, you guys, so we're going to call it a night. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for making those beautiful things with me. Maybe we'll embellish this on the VIP group. Oh no, but I need to embellish it because I think I have a buyer for this one. Okay, and then this one hopefully will be going back to its owner tomorrow or the day after. Isn't that cute, you guys? Look, and then I put a bow on it with a little bit of bling. And that's what we did tonight. An old vintage watering can. Can y'all see it? And that's what we did. Wasn't that fun? I think it makes it look more vintage. So cute. That's my favorite side. Okay, you guys, don't forget, you have from now till Sunday to place your order for the full bloom, the bubblegum paste, and the custard to qualify for $50 gift card, Visa gift card. You can spend it wherever you want, but you should buy transfers and paste with it, right? Or put it towards your kit. For those of you that are thinking of joining, put it towards your kit. Okay, you guys? We'll see you later. Y'all have a good evening. Message me if y'all have any questions. Okay? Sleep tight, you guys. We didn't hear from Ludi anymore. She's probably partying, you guys. The boss is partying. She deserves it. Okay, you guys. Good night. See you soon, okay? Y'all be good.